everyone, this is Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. Today I'm up with a new video that's very beneficial to all of you out there in your weight loss journey. It's a weight loss drink that has so many benefits. So I hope you will find it useful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along to never miss any update from my channel. I make health and fitness related videos. So yes, do hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon. Before heading towards the video, here is something that Mamaearth has recently sent me. This is a Bye Bye Blemishes face cream that will really help you get rid of the blemishes and make your skin flawless and smooth. The key ingredient in this face cream is mulberry extract and vitamin C. As you all know, vitamin C is very good for your skin immunity. Mulberry extracts are known to help skin. It contains rich antioxidant properties, thus making it very beneficial for preventing wrinkles formation. As a result, someone who uses mulberry extract will have flawless, silky, smooth skin for many years to come. So I simply take this cream and apply it all over my neck and my face. It really helps to smoothen my skin and makes it flawless, and obviously will help me get rid of wrinkles for the coming ages. So the reason why I recommend Mamaearth products are because they are cruelty-free products and have PETA certification. All the products are chemical-free and natural. Also, it's a vocal for local brand. It's an Indian brand, and one of the reasons why I support and love the brand. You can definitely check the link in my description. Use GLOW2020 to get extra 20% off on mamaearth.in. Also, it's available on Mamaearth, Amazon and Nykaa. Now moving on to the super amazing weight loss drink that we are going to make today. So for this, the ingredients that we need is fennel seeds. Also it's called saunf. Then we are going to need some cinnamon sticks. We are not going to use cinnamon powder. We are using the stick itself. So the cinnamon sticks, being one of the most powerful spices, has great medicinal properties. Then we are going to have ajwain or carom seeds. Great for digestion, helps to get rid of acidity, and definitely great for your body. We are using black salt. Black salt is really good for your body when it comes to bloating and acidity. Also, it aids digestion and boosts metabolism if taken in correct quantity. Tej patta or bay leaf is a very strong spice, being one of those great for your digestion, helps in diabetes and protects your body against inflammation. So yes, we are going to use all these ingredients in our weight loss drink today. So yes, for this drink you have to take 2 cups of water. Then we are going to add all the spices just mentioned. The quantity of the spices has to be taken care very carefully because these are strong spices. So we need to make sure that the quantity is properly taken care of when the drink is made. So we are taking about half teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. Again, I'm saying quantity is very important here. Then we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of saunf or fennel seeds. Then we are going to add about 3 to 4 centimeter long cinnamon stick. Then we are going to add tej patta. Make sure of adding just 1 bay leaf because it's a very strong spice. You won't be able to have this drink if you put a lot of it, and also it can cause a lot of other problems. So make sure you just add 1 leaf in the drink and let this boil for about next 5 minutes. You need to boil it till this 2 cups of water turns to 1. And all the properties of all the spices that we have put in this drink gets absorbed in the drink that we are actually making. This step is again very crucial in making this drink because only then you will get all the flavors and the properties that these spices have to offer in this drink and the benefits out of it. So we will give it an appropriate time to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes till the water gets half of its quantity. And then we are going to just filter it out. Now we are going to add about 1/4 tablespoon of black salt. Black salt is rich in potassium, and in order to take care of your sodium intake, we are making sure that we don't add it too much, just 1/4 tablespoon of black salt in this drink. Now we can add half lemon into this drink, but this step is optional. You can simply skip adding lemon to this drink. It's completely optional for all of you, but I prefer lemon to it because it makes it a complete fat burner as well, and really helps with the taste because it has very strong spices. So lemon actually overpowers and makes it easy for you to drink. And yes, your drink is ready. This is a perfect weight loss drink. It's not just a weight loss drink, actually, it helps in lot of other things as well, like acidity, bloating, digestion, metabolism, and much more. Let's talk about the benefits in detail. Because of being rich in antioxidant and having highly anti-inflammatory properties, it really helps in avoiding bloating and getting rid of your extra belly fat. Helps you get rid of acidity. Also, being rich in antioxidant helps to get rid of acne, rashes. Definitely is great for weight loss and people who have PCOS and PCOD. Also, it works wonders in your PMS. So definitely try this drink out. Let me know how you feel and do give it a shot because I think it's very beneficial. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon along, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy.